everyone. Hello. Is the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. My ogbonge people, this Nigerian embassy, with the video when I just see just now, not just dey happy at all. Like seriously, why una go give appointment to people say make they come Nigeria embassy, come do passport? They come finish now, una come abandon them for outside. Women with children, and the call wey dey today not be small one. Like seriously, na so una be, na so una wicked. Which kind of wickedness be that one now? Eh? This Nigerian embassy, the one until they behave like say we not be Nigerians. Me, I don't understand. Una give appointment to people. Una leave them for inside call. The call wey dey today with children. Okay, wetin make una give them appointment when they come? If una know say una no go answer them, the one una say make they come. Now that part, let me I no understand my people. My people, more na watch video, more na see, una go cry. Which kind thing be this one? You no wan answer them. Just say you no go answer them. Why you can't say make they come? When you know say you no go answer them. Why you say make they come? They come finish now, they come dey inside call. Just see inside call where they dey now, my people. This thing fair. E fair, my people. More na watch, more na see wetin happen, my people.
Devil. Brother, these women, they are stranded with their children. Huh? Because of renew or issue passport. You see people, population are here. They are all stranded. They give everybody appointment, but they are not responding to anybody. Look at people. Come out inside. Oh, since morning I never eat because of passport. They are not attending to them. Nothing, they are not responding. They are just trilling people. The way they are trilling them in Nigeria, they still bring the mentality to Europe. Yeah. Ah, no.
How can you travel with a spy passport? Then why do you have embassy? Why do you have consulate? I've been here they will because the country wants to know how to do it. Even if you're a citizen, you cannot travel with a passport.
Some people are believing because they have changed their mind to be giving people another appointment. Nigeria embassy in Berlin is competent. They don't know their word, they know the limit of their completing people every day. But now they give people about 100 to 200, 300, 400 people the same time appointment. Look at population. Look at population. Population. See me. People are stranded since morning. No food. No response from Nigeria embassy.
Look at this idiot. Come and push him. Why are you push him again? Something is wrong with you. Because he is a very
A lot of people have gone home. The people that remain here,
Okay, excuse me. Those who have appointment today, they can't print it out. They are phone.
I print everything. We are tired of lining up.
I've already print everything. Those who have, like you now, you have already given. You are not giving. Okay, you will give them the reference number. The reference number. Do you have a deal? It's okay.
We had a deal before.
Forget about the printed sometimes. Let's work on the soft copy you have. You put the reference number and we give you a date.
Initially, we had a deal. Initially, we had a deal.
this is the person that is trailing us.
Indicate it and then we give you a date.
They didn't respond to us today. They give 300 to 400 people an appointment at the same time. Stupid people. You see how incompetent Nigeria embassy workers are? They don't know their work. Everything we enter social media, they are crazy.
Everywhere in Nigeria.
Now they are taking bribe to take people in. When people are paying for their passport fee.
I've paid more than 220 euros for transport, and I came here. They are doing something else. Mr. Okoro. The woman is there now. The woman is there. Don't call her. What is the appointment papers?
He's saying that they can only give the right to appointment here and sign. They don't have that facility now to write it. Huh? In 5 months. In 5 months, right?
Because we are Europe now, you don't need to
Can I ask a question?
They can't print it because of this. So if you can get the reference number and their name, and then they will give them.